Before you take your driving test, master these 60 road signs, and passing is guaranteed. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with an easy one. Great start! That is the give way to traffic sign. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. No stopping. This sign often confuses test takers. Can you tell what it stands for? Well spotted. This sign prohibits making U-turns. Height restriction. Parking place. Look carefully. Recognize this one? Yes, this sign means national speed limit applies. Mini roundabout. No right turn. Here's a common one. Do you know what it stands for? Exactly. This is the no waiting sign. Pedestrians prohibited. Buses prohibited. You've probably seen this before. What does it mean? Right. It is the motor vehicle's prohibited sign. No left turn. Speed camera. Spot this one. What could it be referring to? Good catch. It is the minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour sign. One-way traffic. Solo motorcycles prohibited. This sign often confuses test takers. Can you tell what it stands for? Correct. That is the clearance warning sign. Tourist information. Entrance to a 20-mile-per-hour zone. Here is a tricky one. What is it? Well spotted. That is the turn left ahead sign. Buses and coaches prohibited. Dip sign. You've probably seen this before. What does it mean? Perfect. It is the no vehicle over indicated width sign. Horse-drawn vehicles prohibited. End of 30 miles per hour. Take a close look. What does this sign warn you about? Right. That is the controlled parking zone sign. Low arch bridge. Risk of grounding ahead. Let's see if you know this one. Right. That is the motorway junction ahead sign. Light signals at a level crossing ahead. Stop, children crossing. Look carefully. Recognize this one. Good observation. This sign means accompanied horses prohibited. Vehicular traffic must turn left. Direction to telephone at level crossing. Here's a tricky one. What does this sign indicate? Exactly. It is the contra-flow bus lane sign. Maximum speed 50 miles per hour. End of 20 miles per hour zone. Here's one that might test you. What does it stand for? Well spotted. It means articulated vehicles prohibited. Towed caravans prohibited. Level crossing with gate ahead. Here's a common one. Do you know what it stands for? Correct. It is the crossbuck sign. Speed camera with 30 miles per hour reminder. Keep left. Can you figure out the meaning of this traffic sign? Good catch. That is an electrified third rail ahead. Telephone at level crossing. Stop before crossing. Police ahead. This one is really important. What does it communicate? Perfect. It means end of prohibition of goods vehicles. No goods vehicles over 7.5 tons. End of controlled zone. Here's one that might test you. What does it stand for? Right. That is no vehicle over indicated length. Motor vehicles except solo motorcycles prohibited. Maximum speed 60 miles per hour. This one's interesting. What does it mean? Exactly. That is electrified overhead cable ahead. Target for crossing gate. No vehicle over a gross weight of 33 tons. Have you seen this road sign before? Well spotted. This sign warns of overhead electrical wires. No vehicles carrying explosives. Give priority to oncoming traffic. That concludes today's video. If you are serious about passing the driving test, hit subscribe for more road sign guides, tips, and study materials. Watch these videos on your screen to keep learning. See you in the next video.